Hey everyone, Zane here, and today I'm going to show you how to correctly set up an LLC. In today's video, I will be showing you how to form an LLC using two different methods. The first method is basically doing it on your own through 6 different steps, but I'll be guiding you through each step and explaining everything you need to know about the process. For the second method, it involves you leave all the heavy lifting to the professional organization like Northwest Registered Agent. I'll be explaining what this company does and how it can make the process incredibly streamlined. And if you want to know more about LLCs and how to form them, this video is for you. LLC or limited liability company is a type of business structure that combines the benefit of corporation and a partnership. It provides personal liability protection as you as the owner known as the member, which means your personal assets are separate from the company's debts and liabilities. This shields you from being held personally responsible for the LLC's financial obligations. Also, an LLC offers flexibility in terms of management and taxation and allows for a more informal and adaptive structure, making it easier for you to operate and manage your business. Now, you can apply for an LLC through different methods. The first one, which is going through the filling process yourself. So let me guide you through this whole process. The first step is to simply choose a name for your LLC. Make sure that the name you select is unique and not already taken or in use by another company. Now, each state has its own guidelines for naming an LLC, so it's important to check the business name database maintained by your Secretary of State. Also, avoid using names that can be easily confusing with existing ones and certain rules that may require additional paperwork like bank or INC, etc. Step number 2, you're going to need to choose the state in which you want to register your LLC. Typically, the best is to opt for your home state or the state where you conduct your business, as local lawyers are well versed in their home state's lawyers' government LLC formation and operations, and having government offers nearby can be advantageous for you. And if your business expands to other states, you'll need to register as a foreign LLC in those states. The third step is to get a registered agent. A registered agent is basically a person or business responsible for handling legal documents on behalf of your LLC. They serve as the point of contact for your business and receive important papers like regulation notices and legal filings. Now, depending on the state laws, your registered agent can be summoned whether your company or a professional service, and they should have a physical address in the state and be available during business hours. Step number 4 is to officially establish your LLC. You must file Article of Organization with the Secretary of State. This document, which may be called a Certificate of Formation or Certificate Organization in some states, should include your LLC's name, designated registered agent, and management structure. There is typically a one-time filing fee that varies by state ranging from $40 to $500. And once filed, it usually takes 3 to 7 days for processing, and upon approval, you will receive a state certificate of organization. Step number 5. While most states do not legally require it, having an operating agreement is crucial for an LLC. This document outlines organization structure, daily duties, and general rules of your LLC. It clarifies the role and responsibilities of your LLC members, ownership, percentages, profit distribution methods, and decision-making process. An operating agreement helps prevent misunderstandings and should be updated whenever there are changes in membership or management. And now for the sixth and final step, obtaining an employee identification number or EIN. In fact, it is just like having a social security number for your business. It's a 9-digit number assigned by the IRS for tax filing purposes. Consider updating an EIN if you plan to open a business bank account, apply for a business loan, or pay business income taxes. The process of obtaining an EIN is free and can be done online or by mail through the IRS. Now, if all this sounds like too much of a headache, you can always go through option number 2, which is simply hiring a service to take care of all your LLC. Of course, it may cost more money than doing it by yourself, but there are a lot of benefits to hire a pro like Northwest Registered Agent, which is one of the best LLC formation services The LLC service will take care of your formal application, get your EIN, create your opening agreement and your terms, and act as your registered agent. And I have done many tutorials about how to use this service, but now in this video, let me show you how to file for an LLC using Northwest Registered Agent. Now, once you log in, you can create your own LLC by different methods. The first method is to go to Hire Us, then click on Add a New Company, choose the company name and the entity. You just have to go for LLC, and after that, they will tell you exactly what are the plans available and what are the things that you need in your bundle. But here in my case, I will go for another option, which is manage your business. Just go for this one right here. Click on add a business to my account. Now choose your state. I will choose Nevada, for example, or you can simply choose it from the map right here. Click on continue. Go for the first option because this is an LLC. Click on continue. Now choose the company name. I'll name it GZ, for example. This is just for demonstration. Go and choose the suffix if you want it with limited liability company, LLC, or L.LC. Then click on continue. And now you'll have to choose between if it is existing company or new company. Here in my case, it is new company. So I will click on confirm and add company, then go to continue. And if you haven't created your company yet, just click on this one. Now you have two options, just an idea or you are ready to file. Now, if you are just having the idea, the concept, so they will provide you with some suggestions. But if you have all things set up and you just need to file the necessary paperwork with the state to create a legal business entity, you will go for this option. But here, Mike, is let's say that I'm just having the idea, so I will go for it. And now we'll have to go all through these steps that we were talking about at the beginning of the video. Click on continue. And now you can choose between any one of these plans. I will go for this one because it will provide me with more help. Here you have all these steps. You can just click on the section that you want to fill in. And once you fill in all these things, you can simply go to the next process and try to finish all these processes just in order to provide you with all the necessary things that you actually need for your LLC company. So here you have a section for the initial tax election, a section for the EIN. You will find also sections for operating agreement, etc. And they will help you set up your LLC from scratch till establishment. And that's all for today. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thanks for watching and see you in a new video.